Number 1. Saker Mini Chainsaw 4-inch Portable Electric Chainsaw Cordless. Saker Mini Chainsaw adapts a high-quality guide chain that has undergone a deep quenching process to ensure smooth cutting. In addition, a pure copper motor is used, which is very powerful. Cutting efficiency is higher and faster. Saker Mini Chainsaw weighs only 1.1 kilograms and has a total length of 4 inches. It can be used with one hand, and it is not easy to get tired after long-term use. It is very suitable for family and temporary work. Even the elderly can easily control it. The Saker Mini Chainsaw is equipped with a 20-volt 1,500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which can be used for a long time. Charging at any time, convenient and fast. Although the suitcase is small, it can store all the accessories perfectly. Small and convenient, quick and easy to assemble, just need 1 minute for all installed. Number 2. Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw. The 15-amp motor generates a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM for making crosscuts and miters with ease, even on the toughest cutting jobs. The saw is lighter than its predecessor, weighing just 24.2 pounds, for easier transport. It's the lightest 10-inch compound miter saw in its class to date. It has a large table with a vise clamping system to hold your workpiece safely in place. The thumb-actuated positive miter stops allow for simple miter adjustments. The bevel has a range of 45 degrees to the left to provide clean and accurate bevel cuts. The saw has a large extended flip fence which rises to 4-inch to allow for accurate cutting of large workpieces. To keep your workspace clean and safe, a dust collector attachment is included. Number 3. Irwin Tools Universal Handsaw 15-inch. This Irwin Universal Handsaw features a unique handle-to-blade design and triple ground teeth to completely eliminate binding and cut up to 3 times faster than traditional handsaws through virtually any material. The universal tooth grind on each handsaw removes material quickly to combine the speed of a coarse-cutting saw with the finish of a fine-cutting saw. A tapered pitch nose on the blade profile provides improved clearance through materials and adds stability to each stroke, while the thick body saw blade uses a water-based lacquer coating that helps you deliver fast, controlled cuts. Number 4. Bosch CS10 7¼ inch 15-amp circular saw. Featuring a powerful 15-amp, high-output motor, Bosch's 7¼ inch circular saw offers fast, smooth cutting at a variety of different angles. An advanced composite footplate means increased stability and precision accuracy. Weighing in at just 10.3 pounds, the Bosch CS10 is easy to handle and comfortable to use. An unobstructed view of the cut line means better visibility for more exact cuts. With a soft grip handle for added comfort and a blower for better dust control, this is one user-friendly tool. The CS10 also features a 56-degree bevel capacity, along with positive detents at 22.5 and 46 degrees for working on a wide variety of projects. Your purchase includes a 24-tooth carbide blade, a tool wrench, and job site tool bag. Number 5. Worksaw 4.5-inch electric compact circular saw. Quick, more efficient cuts, and you can take it with you when you don't want to lug a big saw around. The lever lets you go from 0 to 45-degree bevel settings with quick adjustment. Excellent depth of cut for slicing up to 2-inch stock lumber. Cut 2 times 4 seconds in a single pass. It also cuts metal, tile, and plastic. Left-sided blade optimization gives you a clear line of sight on anything you're cutting. WORX tools are engineered with cutting-edge technology and above modern efficiency standards, so you can build a cost-effective tool collection that's been designed to last. At 4.5 inch and only half the weight of a full 7 to 1/4 inch circular saw, you get portability without sacrificing power. The thinner blade makes for less strain on the tool, so it can work harder. Number 6. Galax Pro Cordless Reciprocating Saw. 20-volt battery delivers no-load speed of 0 to 3000 SPM for strong, controlled, quickly cutting through wood, pipe, and metals. 2.0Ah battery come with 1-hour fast charger and battery power indicator, equipped with a variable speed trigger, 0 to 3000 SPM, to expertly cuts through almost any material from fiberglass and PVC to metal and masonry, features a lock-off button, prevents accidental opening of the machine. Soft rubber handle designed to comfortably fit in hand for improved control with minimal vibration. Its comfortable soft grip silicone handle suitable for right and left-handed use. Features a lever-actuated blade changing mechanism, allows you quickly swap out blades without using any extra tools. Number 7. PowerSmart Electric Chainsaw 20-volt battery powered. This battery-powered chainsaw is perfect for quickly and easily cutting through tough wood. It features a 20-volt 1.5Ah charger for steady power, a 10-inch low kickback bar and chain, and easy start technology for simpler pull starts. This chainsaw is designed for comfort and easy operation. It has a chain kickback brake handle, self-locking button, and adjustable automatic oiler. Number 8. Lithely Cordless Pole Saw 10-inch. "10-inch guide bar and chain delivers 15 feet per second cutting speed with 2500 RPM drive sprocket rotation. 1.6-foot extension pole enables the tool to reach any length from 6.9 to 8.5. The saw head can be set at 4 angles, easily capturing hidden branches. Less user fatigue with 7.7 pounds, bare tool weight and effortless shoulder strap. Easy chain tensioning with a built-in knob. Automatic lubrication with a 65 milliliters oiler and an oil level check window. Anti-slip front and rear handles for firm grip. Number 9. Galax Pro 22,000 OPM 1.5A Oscillating Multi-Tool. The 1.5A motor provides reliable power, which can deliver 22,000 oscillations per minute, making cutting, sawing, trimming, grinding, and sanding easy and saving you time. Fitted with a robust metal gear head designed for long life and durability. This oscillating multi-tool is very suitable to saw, sanding, trim, and cut a variety of materials, including skirting boards, copper and plastic pipes, soft non-ferrous metals, plasterboard, laminates, carpets, and ceramic tiles. This versatile tool is designed to meet the most challenging jobs facing the serious DIYer and tradesman around the home. It will even trim the bottom of a door without removing it from its hinges. Number 10. Wesco 4.5 amp electric jigsaw tool with 6 variable speeds. 45-degree adjustment with 4 orbital settings, fit into different angle and material cutting. More flexible and accurate for working. Powerful 4.5 amp motor of jigsaw tool generates up to 3000 SPM of cutting power needed for the most materials. 6-bit variable speed allows you to control the cutting speed and accuracy and handle various applications and materials with higher accuracy. Replace saw blades in a matter of seconds with the tool-free blade clamp. This Jigsaw kit options to connect with vacuum cleaner. Clear sawdust by using the dust blower or connecting the dust port to a vacuum cleaner for clear sight of cutting line and neat working environment.